is the MOSFET? A metal oxide semiconductor field effect. Transistor, MOSFET is a crucial semiconductor device used in electronic circuits for switching and amplifying electronic signals. It's a type of field effect transistor that consists of three terminals: gate E, source if, and drain. MOSFETs are fundamental components in modern electronics due to their high switching speed, relatively low power consumption, and versatility in various applications. Here's a breakdown of the components and functionality of a MOSFET. Structure. Sheet hefter taker. The base material of the MOSFET, usually made of silicon or another semiconductor material. C. The terminal from which current enters or exits the MOSFET. Terminal through which the current flows out of or enters the MOSFET. The terminal that controls the conductivity between the source and drain. The gate is separated from the semiconductor body by a thin insulating layer, typically made of silicon dioxide, called the gate oxide. Working principle. The conductive channel between the source and drain is controlled by the voltage applied to the gate terminal. A MOSFET operates in three modes: cutoff, saturation, and linear or triode regions. When a voltage is applied to the gate terminal, typically higher than a threshold voltage specific to the MOSFET, an electric field is created in the channel beneath the gate. In an N-channel MOSFET, most common type, a positive voltage applied to the gate creates an electric field that attracts electrons to form a conductive channel between the source and drain. Conversely, for a P-channel MOSFET, a negative voltage on the gate attracts positively charged holes to form the channel. The amount of current flowing between the source and drain is controlled by the voltage applied to the gate. Higher gate voltages lead to more conductive channels and thus increased current flow. SIF types of MOSFET. Channel MOSFET. The majority carrier is electrons. It conducts when a positive voltage is applied to the gate. P-channel MOSFET. The majority carrier is holes. It conducts when a negative voltage is applied to the gate. Application. MOSFETs are extensively used in various electronic circuits like amplifiers, digital logic circuits, power supplies, voltage regulators, motor control, and more. They are crucial in power electronics due to their ability to handle high currents and voltages efficiently. Thing. High switching speed, low power consumption, small size, high input impedance. Fifth, susceptible to electrostatic discharge, damage. Sensitivity to overvoltage or overcurrent conditions. Complex drive circuitry for some high-power applications. MOSFETs are pivotal in the advancement of electronic devices and are continually evolving to meet the demands of modern technology. Their ability to efficiently control and amplify electrical signals makes them indispensable in various applications across industries.